Hi guys, I would like to show you how you open the box, the interface box. If you take a screwdriver and you push it a bit, and you push it from here, then you have a screw which is all the way down here. So you have to undo this screw, and that is the way how you open the interface. VF1, which is the cylinder sensor, is this one. Is going on this spot here, and that is VF1. The next one is SP1, which is this sensor here, and that is on the buffer tank. Then we have the next one is DCF, which is the outdoor sensor. This is the outdoor sensor. So if we recap, we have main power supply, then we have the circulation pump for the heating, then we have the diverted valve, then we have the bus communication from the thermostat heat pump, will be connected here. Then this is the thermostat on the sensor on the buffer tank. SP1 is the cylinder stat, and DCAF is the outdoor sensor. Main power, pump, zone valve, bus, sensor on the buffer, sensor on the cylinder, and outdoor sensor. Now I'm going to put it back.